Friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. Today we are talking about Goethe exam A1 and its examination pattern and the readings and the books that you can use to appear for this exam. So keep watching the video till end and you will get very good idea about the examination pattern and the type of study material that we can use. So this is the book Prüfungstraining Start Deutsch 1 and this is very good book. There are plenty of sample papers and question papers that you can practice and score very good marks in Goethe A1 level exam. So as you can see here, there are the different parts: Hören, Lesen, Schreiben. So first you will have to appear in all these three skills, and after that you will have your speaking skills. So it means you have to qualify in all these three examination with 60% marks. If you are failed to do so, then you have to repeat the exam. So this is very important that you qualify all these things and calculatively score 60%. Only then you can successfully pass Goethe A1 level exam. And afterwards you have a mündliche Prüfung, which is called Viva or oral exam, and you have to score separately 60% marks in that too also. So here Hören, you can see 20 minutes time. Lesen means reading, your 25 minutes duration, and Schreiben means writing skills is also of 20 minutes duration. And for oral exam you will have 15 minutes time. Okay, so now we just go through the book. Here you can see the model test papers 1, 2, and there are so many vocabularies. So vocab is also very essential for A1 level examination. So here everything is given in very detail. You can have this book and you can have very good knowledge, and you can also do self study. So this is your listening skills, Hören, and at the back of the book you will also get one CD that you will use to do listening skills. So here you can see listening skills of 20 minutes, and this is tile 1, first part. Okay, Hören tile lines. Similarly you have Hören tile 2, means tile 2, second part, and then you will have Hören tile 3. So there are 3 parts. Okay, listening skills are divided into 3 parts, so you have to score well in all these 3 parts. So initially you will have the description of each model test paper with the solutions and very good explanation step by step. Now we'll see further. Let's have a look in one model test papers. So this book is very good, and here you will find all types of questions that are generally asked in the model test papers. So I'll just open. So this is the kind of vocabulary that you will get in this book, which sticky water vocabulary you can get. It's very good book. And then you will have a kind of reading skills. So in the reading skills you will get such kind of emails, and you have to read the email and answer the correct answers. Okay, this is part of your reading skills, listening, listen. And this is reading skills part 2. There are advertisements and you have to find out which is the correct options. Okay, you have to find the information and search whether option A or B is correct. And this is reading part 3. And now this is the Schreiben part, writing skills. There is a form, and on the this is the information that you have to read out and fill up the missing information. 5 blanks. Some information are already here, some are missing, and you have to fill up the missing information on the basis of the given information of a particular person. And this is writing skills 2, in which you have to write a mail, either formal or informal. These are the 2 parts in the writing skills. So I'm just going through the book, and detail you can check out yourself. You can buy this book, okay, online. It's available and it is very good book. So I recommend use this book for A1 level Goethe exams. It is available online. And this is speaking part, and in the speaking, first of all you have to introduce yourself using these points: your name, age, country, living place, language, profession, and hobbies. This is your speaking part, introduction. And after that, this is the second part, where you will get any 1 or 2 chits, and then you have to request. You have to make a request, bitte request. Okay, either do form or Z form, and it's a partner arbeit. It's a group work. You will speak with your partner. Okay, it's not an individual work. This is your individual work, but this is your partner work. And then you have again here speaking part 3, tile dry. In this part you will get any of these chit one or two, and then you have to frame a request. Or sometimes you are asked to make questions out of these words. Like there are questions, Wohin, you make questions, Overlap, make one sentence, and keep this in mind, the thema. You cannot cross this theme. You have to take this theme in your mind and then frame either question or a statement. So thema is very, very important, that you should take care of the thema. Reason, for example, here is the theme. And then part 3, in this part you have to make a request to your partner, and then your partner will ask you or request you something, give you order, and you have to respond accordingly. So this was the speaking part. So again, like this you will have next model test paper 3, and then so on. So this book is very, very good. I would suggest go through this book, buy this. It's not very expensive, but it is very, very useful book. So order this and enjoy your exam, and this is successfully result of this book. You can easily follow this book and get very good score in the Goethe A1 level exam. Self study is also very, very useful, essential. Those who cannot attend the classes, cannot afford to attend classes, you can easily buy this book and practice your own. So in this video, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video, so keep watching. See you next time with the new video, and I will also making some model test papers based on A1 level Goethe exam. Okay, so you will definitely find a new video very soon. In case any doubt, please write to me in the comment. I will answer you accordingly. Bye bye. Cheers. Take care.